Hi, this is Murita Wood Creation. Today we will make a wood biscuit or leaf edge serving board. So I will show you the step by step of this fun process. So keep stay tuned. The first process, we start with the flattening the wood using the rotor sled that are made on my previous video. This process takes some time, but it's fun. So we take this process step by step, flattening the wood. Woodworking not just about your skill, but also passion, and enjoy the process step by step. Enjoy the process to get the maximum result for every work that you done in woodworking. After the flattening process using the router sled on one side done, we continue with the other side. We put, or I put, the other plywood as the base to make the biscuit or the wood biscuit stable. I really enjoy the process because after the rotor sled flattening the wood, you can see the wood become so beautiful. After we done flattening process for the both side of the wood biscuit, you see the transformation, the wood become very beautiful. The next process, we continue, or I continue cleaning the outside of the wood. I using my old chisel to clean it up, and then later on I will continue cleaning using the wire brush. As you see, we have a small natural crack on the wood biscuit. I'm using the CA glue to fix it. So pouring the fill in with the CA glue, continue with the sanding. I'm using the 80 grade for the first sanding process. So the process to fix the crack is CA glue and continue resanding again, CA glue again, and sanding again. so the crack will be fixed perfectly. After the long process, filling the crack using CA glue, sanding, filling with CA glue again, you can see there's no crack anymore and the result is perfectly. Now we continue with the other side of the wood. We also see a small crack there, so I fill in the crack using the CA glue as the first process and continue sanding using the 80 grade. And then back to the first process again, filling the CA glue, sanding CA glue, sanding CA glue until the crack fixes perfectly. This process will take quite a long time, but this is the fun. You see the transformation from the cracked wood we fix using the CA glue and sanding. We do our fixing to things here. We fixing the crack and also smoothing the surface of the wood. So you have take your time on this process and enjoy it. You see here the crack fixed perfectly. There's no crack anymore. So the next process we continue cleaning the outside of the wood. On this process I'm using the wire brush as I informed before. Remember the wire brush is very aggressive and dangerous tools, so you have to use your eye protection. We continue the next sanding process. After the 80 grade, now I jump directly to the 240 grade for the last sanding process. You can see here the wood become more beautiful. You can see the grain. This is the beautiful all the art thing of the wood biscuit. This wood biscuit will become a very beautiful serving board later on. I continue the manual hand setting process to clean the every corner to make sure it's clean and smooth in every corner. Okay, all the sanding process is done. See, it looks stunning. The next process is oiling process for the surfing board. On this process, I'm using the natural oil. Usually this is we use it for the surfing board, so have to be food grade natural oil or the food grade finishing process. For the oiling process, you can apply as many as you want. It will be depend on the character of the wood. Some wood will take a lot of process of the oiling process, but some wood just need a few 3 or 4 time oiling process. It will be shiny. After all the process, now the leaf edge surfing board or the wood biscuit surfing board is done. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe my channel to get the new update from my new video. Thank you for watching.